Alright, so in this tutorial, we're gonna fix iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max not charging and turning on. So, here are some best and easy steps on how you can fix this issue. First up, you gotta check the charger first. You obviously need to use original Apple cable and adapter. So, make sure it's certified by Apple and then try a different charging cable or try a different wall socket. And also, you should clean the charging ports, okay? And then what you need to do is just force restart your phone. What you can do is just press volume up and volume down and then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. I'm obviously not going to do this because I'm recording, but keep in mind volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button until you see Apple logo. And then what you can do is just charge your phone for 30 to 60 minutes. You just need to, if the battery is fully dead, just plug it in and leave it for at least 30 minutes and then try turning it on again. Check for overheating issue. If your phone feels hot, like remove the case, let it cool down, and then try charging again. And if nothing is working, you can simply try wireless charging. If the cable is not charging, you can just charge it by a MagSafe or a wireless charger. And then what you can do is just connect your phone to computer and then connect open Windows on your iTunes or Finder if you're on Mac and see the device if it's detected. If it's detected, uh, just press on update and restore phone. And if nothing is working, you just gotta go to recovery mode if it's still not turning on. Connect to computer, quickly press volume up, volume down, and then hold power button until the recovery screen appears, and then choose update first. Don't restore unless needed. So these are some ways on how you can fix it. I hope this tutorial really helped you out. I'll see you soon.